Bafowethu nansi indaba engomnumzane Panyaza Lesufi, uPremier waseGauteng, umnumzane ongaphansi kweqembu leANC. Umnumzane Panyaza Lesufi ulokhu ephume okanye ulokhu enze izinto ezi-against iGNU okanye izinto ezi-against iDA noma isivumelwano esiphakathi kweANC neDA. Angiqale nje ngobingelele ngikwamukele le channel eMasweti Media Production. Mawukuthi uyaqala ukufika le channel ngicela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso ukuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video, ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Nganza kwethu udaba ngalo njengamanje luthi-ke ikhona indaba ephakathi kukamnumzane Panyaza Lesufi kanye nomthetho osayinwe ke-ANC mangabe-ke ufaka isivumelwano se-GNU kanye-ke namaqembu afana-ke neqembu le-DA. Kusho ukuthi-ke indaba emayelana-ke ne-Bella Bill, i-Basic Education Laws Amendment. Umnumzane Panyaza Lesufi utshela uCyril Ramaphosa esidlangalaleni ukuthi akasayine lo mthetho ukuthi-ke usebenze njengamanje la eSouth Africa. Ngaleso sikhathi wazi kahle ukuthi-ke umama Helen Zille wathi lo mthetho weBella Bill bona beDA abahlanganisi lutho nawo, badweba ired line ukuthi nje abawufuni nala uhambe khona. Okusho ukuthi ANC mangathiwe ithinta lo mthetho lowo kuzoba enkulu inkinga phakathi ke kwesivumelane seANC kanye ke neDA. Uyasuka ke njengamanje ke umnumzane Panyaza Lesufi uzotshela uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa esidlangalaleni ukuthi ke akasayine lo mthetho. Ngicela nje ukuthi uqala umuzwe umama Helen Zille ngathi ke khuluma ngawo lo mthetho ukuthi ke wayekade etheni.
Finally, the Bella Bill is quite a contentious one as well for the Democratic Alliance, and the Democratic Alliance, of course, didn't support that. What happens to the Bella Bill now? Is it something that you're going to put on the agenda of the national dialogue?
Well, the Bella Bill is a non-negotiable for us. The right of school governing bodies to determine the language policy of a school is a red line for us, and the ANC's been aware of that from day one.
So basically into ayisho la Mama Helen Zille ukuthi ke bona neBella Bill kune red line enkulu nje phakathi kwabo, itopic engekho sidalo ngisho emabhukini nayo, into nje abangafuna ukuthi ke baze bakhulume nayo. neANC uthi ke wazi kahle lokho, kusho ukuthi ke ngokomthetho kuyinto ongamele ukuthi ke baze baqale ukukhuluma ngayo ngoba ke iDA ayiconcede lo Bella Bill. Uyashintsha ke njengamanje uPanyaza Lesufi uzofaka ke ukuthi ke akusayine le Bella Bill ezidlangalaleni eParliament. Utshela umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ngicela ukuthi uyibonele.
Comrade President, I want to close on this score and my apologies to those that are partners in the government of national unity. Comrade President, there is something that is called the Basic Education Amendment Laws. I'm asking you, President, politely and respectfully so, sign that law. Sign that law. There must be no institution here, President, when the 6th administration and this particular house has passed that particular law. And the law is very simple, President. We are prepared to listen to any other person that wants to raise any view. But the law is simple. All our children must be in the same classroom and taught by the same teacher. What's wrong with that particular proposal? What's wrong with that particular proposal? That the language of teaching must incorporate all 12 languages, that there must be no language that is excluded. What's wrong with that particular proposal? That every child that is in ECD must be a formal education system starting from ECD. What's wrong with that particular proposal? And therefore, President, sign that particular law. We'll debate later with all other people. Thank you so much.
Iyona nto ke le eyenzakeleke eParliament. Nganza kwethu ngazi manje nothisana ukuthi ke ziningi izinto umnumzane Panyaza Lesufi aphikisana nazo eziyimgomo iANC yona ihambisana nayo. Ngizoqala nje ukukhumbuza ukuthi ke kudaba lwaseGoli. eGoli uzokhumbula ukuthi njengamanje iDA ayikho kuhulumeni okubambisana kule ndawo yaseGauteng. Ngenxa ukuthini umnumzane Panyaza Lesufi wanqaba ukwenza lokhu kwakade kucelwa iDA, wanqaba ukunikeza ke iDA labo MMC kade ke bafuna. Kwagcina ke sekunesizathu sokuthi gcina ngabe sababikho iGNU yeANC neDA eGauteng. Njengamanje kusenza lokhu futhi eParliament usephikisana ke nomthetho weDA, usethi akusayinwe iBella Bill le iDA engahambisani nayo. Nganza kwethu angazi noma nayibona yini le behavior kamnumzane Panyaza Lesufi ukuthi ke ayihambisani neGNU, kodwa ke ngicela ukuzo kwakho ukuphawula lapha kuma comments bese wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ke uyasubscribe, uyalike bese sidiba nawe video landelayo. Ngiyabonga.